friends, I'm going to show you how I make a Lazy Man lemon meringue pie. I'm making 2 of them, so I'm going to use the Cook and Serve lemon jello. Okay, this is very, very easy. First, we're going to take this out because this is the first thing we want to do is pour it in, put it in your saucepan. Okay, I'm going to do it. You can do 2 at a time or you can do just 1. I'm doing 2. And you are literally going to follow the directions that's right on the box to, you know, prepare the pudding. So you're going to use the 2 boxes of Jell-O. One cup of sugar. I've got 5 eggs there because I had a double yolker. And 1/2 cup of water to start. Okay. I'm going to turn our burner on medium-high, and we're going to start mixing all this up. That's all you put in this. Get this mixed up really, really good. There we go. Okay. I think I got it all mixed up pretty good in there. Alright. With that, after it's all mixed up and incorporated real well, then you're going to pour 4 cups of water in there. Get that all mixed up. And now you are going to you're going to stir it constantly. You can't stop stirring it because it will burn to the bottom of the pan. So you're going to stir it constantly. So I'm going to go and I'm just going to keep stirring this until it starts to thicken, but I'll bring you back just before it gets to that point and I'll show you. Okay friends, it's starting to thicken up now. And it's going to thicken really fast now that it started. See that, how it's doing? You want nice and thick. I'm going to turn my heat off. See how beautiful that's turning out? Nice and thick. There you have it. That is what you want right there. See it? Okay, now we can take that off the heat and we're going to set that on the back of the stove. Just leave that alone. Okay, and with that now, we are going to, I'm going to show you how I do the meringue. It's just real simple. I don't do the no wheat because I never had problems with it when I use the box stuff. Anyway, I know it says gradually, so we're going to put a little bit of sugar in there to start with. It's a total of a 1/3 cup of sugar you're going to need for this. And I got my powerful blender out, or mixer out. I swear to God, you could power your car with this thing. Anyway, this is going to get noisy. That's alright. Just bear with me. We're going to beat this until it forms stiff peaks, but I'm going to show you how I get started. Alright, now I'm going to turn the camera off because I'm just, now that I got the sugar in there, I showed you how I did that, I'm just going to beat this until, or mix it until it is forms stiff peaks. Goodness sakes, I'm tongue-tied. Hey, see that right there? That's what you want. See the stiff peak on that? That's what you're looking for. All right, so that's done. We can set that aside. We'll get our pie shell out here. Let's see, I want to make sure you can see. Okay, and I'm just going to pour this pie filling right in this pie shell. Okay, now this is going to be like a mile-high pie, guys. That burner's still too hot. Let me turn this off a second. Okay, now I'm just going to start pouring my meringue right out on my pie. No rhyme or reason, just dump it out because you're going to mix it all around. You're going to push it around. Okay, you're just going to start moving it around. I always cover the edges. And then I just do like so and bring up some nice little peaks on it. And that's it. Beautiful, hey? Okay, now it's going to go in a 350-degree oven. See how pretty that is? A 350-degree oven until those peaks are nice and brown. And when it's done, I'll be back and show you just how beautiful and easy it turns out. There you have it, friends. There's my beautiful lemon meringue pie. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to set it out on my sun porch and let it cool, and hopefully it'll be set up and cool enough for dessert at dinner time. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to make. And this was budget friendly because everything was on sale. So there you have it, friends. Thanks so much for watching.